Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here doing a quick room tour. I'm here in Baguio City. At yung likod ko, ito yung cottage house nila. So si Baguio Country Club pala, si Baguio Country Club, it's a hotel, it's a 5-star mountain resort. So may hotel sila for members and non-members. Pero silang cottage house. Ito siya. So ang worth is 33,000 per night. So nakabook tayo dito through our friends from the North Hobby Expo and Baguio Country Club. So ito ating aming home for 3 days. Let's do the room tour now para makita nyo if you're going to have a big group na mag-check in sa Baguio Country Club. You want to have a big house, 3 rooms, living room, yung dalawang rooms may dalawang bed, yung isang room master's bedroom na may CR, at merong maid's room din siya. So pwede kayo magluto dito pero bawal ang mga food delivery, bawal ang mga food from the outside. So di ko alam paano nila mamamonitor yun, no? So ingat na lang kayo, no? So let's check it out. So this is the room. Marami to at marami tong cottage rooms here in Baguio City. So ito ni pinakang last. This is room 110 Lumbang Cottage. So ito yung aking keycard. Inano ko muna yung door para hindi ako malak. Kasi check out na ako, yung keycard ko baka hindi na gumagana. So tanggalin muna natin itong alarm na to. Ayan. So yan Baguio Country Club. So ito yung kanilang cottage room. Napakalamig, grabe. So walang electric fan, walang aircon, but you have here a very nice living room. Ito yung mga gamit namin, papapick up na namin. Pa-check out na kasi ko So may sila, room service, housekeeping. Dinadala isang malaking plastic bag, punong-puno ng mga toiletries, towels, and etc. So they have here a phone number you can call para if you need anything, no? And they have pang-inuman, beers and grill, food, drinks. Ito yung Wi-Fi password. They have a fireplace dito. So sabi to, tawagan mo lang sila to kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng fireplace kung talagang sobrang lamig. There's a cable TV, a TV with Netflix. Ito siya. Rocking chair para sa mga seniors. Dining area. Meron silang water dito for hot water, cold water. Dala lang akong tumbler para lagay ko doon yung tubig. And this is the pang cooking. Kompleto sila ng gamit, yung mga utensils at mga plato. Yan. Refrigerator, meron pa pala akong Coke dito. Oh my god. Ay naku, kanina niiwan ni na Adrian yung kanilang pagkain. Ano to? Oh my god, may food pa dito. Ano to? Babalikan nila yan. I'll get my Coke. Kasi yung mga kasama natin nag-check out na So, ito yung view niya. Nice. And this is the maid's quarter or driver nyo. Dito siya. Very small room. Tulugan lang talaga. Tulugan. And mayroon siyang sariling CR. Yan. And going inside. Ito tayo. So, malaki yung room namin, grabe. So, parang kasama ko dalawang families siya ako lang mag-isa. And this is the common CR para sa dalawang room. Hot shower is good. Toilet with bidet. Hair dryer. Toiletries is also good. Ayan. This is the banyo. Banyo tour. Banyo na ako. At balik tayo dito. And this is my room. Ito yung aking room. 2 beds. Ayan. Kasi dito ako natulog. Cabinets. Ito, nilagyan ko na ng gamit. Ito ako ng-computer. At ayan, nag-cafe ako. At walang aircon, no? Bukas lang yung bintana. Sobrang lamig sa gabi. Grabe. Talagang giginawin kayo. Kailangan mo dala yung jacket. This is the another room. Ito naka-stay si na Adrian tsaka yung family niya. So, same din sa room ko. Ayan. And this is the master's bedroom. Dito, nag-stay si na Lizette. Ayan. This is the master's bedroom. Ayan. May sarili silang CR din. May sarili silang CR. Ang laki pala ng CR na. May bathtub. Walang bathtub. Kala ko may bathtub So, very nice and comfy. And, ayan. So, alam nyo na. Parang umuulan yata, no? Parang umuulan yata sa labas eh. Check nga natin. So ayan, this is the mahangin lang sa labas. O diba? Panalo. Ang laki, no? O pwede kayo matulog sa sofa. Kung meron kayong dalaw pang kasama, pwede lang sa sofa. Or kung meron kayong banig or kutsyon. Tsaka also the parking is maluwag. Ito may sarili siyang parking. So outside siya ng Baguio Country Club but still part of the complex. So yung hotel side kasi doon sa kabila, lalabas pa tayo eh. So ito yung sa baba is yung driveway. So ito yung aming cottage, Baguio Country Club. So maganda, parang ka nasa woods, daming pine tree. Sa gabi, super foggy. So ito yung daan, tapat nito. Papunta na to sa kalsada. At pagbaba niya is sa ano ka na? Baguio Country Club na, yung mismong hotel, yung Mountain Resort. Ayun yun, tatapat to. Yan yun. So bababa tayo dun. Nakita ko lang yung video para makita ninyo. So konting lakad nga lang. So ayun, I'll end down my video here. This is a quick room tour. I'm not sure kung nasa Klook to, no? Kung nasa Klook siya, use my code Azrael Klook in your Klook to get discounts. No? So ayun, I'll end down my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Attend na ako sa aming event in Baguio Country Club. Alright.